Moving your furniture into storage doesn't have to be hard. Today, we'll show you simple ways to protect your couches, tables, and chairs. These easy steps will keep your furniture safe and clean no matter how long you need to store it. Clean everything first. Start by cleaning your furniture well. Use a vacuum for couches and chairs. Make sure to clean under the cushions too. Take apart anything that can come apart, like table legs. Keep all the small pieces like screws and bolts in a Ziploc bag and label it clearly. For wooden furniture, use regular furniture polish to keep the wood from getting dry and cracking. Wrap your furniture. Next, we need to wrap everything carefully. Think of it like wrapping a present, but we use special furniture covers or moving blankets instead of paper. Never use plastic wrap. It can trap water inside and ruin your furniture. Use tape to hold the blankets in place, but don't let the tape touch the furniture directly. Put everything in place. When you put furniture in storage, keep it off the ground. You can use wooden pallets or blocks. This keeps your furniture away from water that might get on the floor. Keep couches standing up on their legs. Tables can stand up or lie on their side, but ensure they're well supported. Leave some space between pieces so you can walk between them easily. Keep it safe from hot and cold. Temperature is really important. Just like you wouldn't want to sit outside in really hot or cold weather, your furniture doesn't like extreme temperatures either. Too much heat or cold can damage wood and fabric. Too much moisture in the air can make your furniture get moldy. That's why you need a storage space that stays at a normal, comfortable temperature. Following these steps will help keep your furniture in top shape while it's stored away. And when you're ready to get started, Arcos self-storage has the clean, secure, and climate-controlled spaces you need for peace of mind. Visit arcostorage.com to learn more and reserve your unit today.